In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product bundle in Payhip. If you want to group multiple products together and sell them as one offer, Payhip makes that process very straightforward. A bundle can be a great way to increase the value of your store, encourage larger purchases, and make it easier for customers to buy related products all at once. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set it up from your dashboard. To begin, go to your Payhip dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and settings, so it's the best place to start for almost any setup task. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products section and click on it. This will take you to the page where all of your existing products are listed. If you already sell digital downloads, courses, memberships, or other items, you'll see them here. From the products page, click on Add New Product. This is where Payhip lets you choose what type of product you want to create. Since we're building a bundle rather than a single item, you'll want to select the option labeled Bundle. After that, you'll be taken to the bundle creation page. Here, enter your bundle title. Choose a name that clearly tells customers what's included, so it's easy to understand at a glance. A clear title can also make your store look more polished and help shoppers quickly decide whether the bundle is right for them. Once you've entered the title, click on Add Bundle. This creates the bundle and takes you to the next stage, where you can begin adding the individual products you want included. Now, click on Add Product. This is the step where you connect existing items from your Payhip store to the bundle. When the product list appears, select the product or products you want to include. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct items, especially if you have several similar products in your catalog. Then go ahead and add the product to the bundle. Repeat this selection process as needed until your bundle contains everything you want to offer together. And that's it. You've successfully created a product bundle in Payhip. After setting it up, it's always a good idea to review the bundle details and make sure everything looks correct before sharing it with customers. A well-organized bundle can help improve the shopping experience and make your offer more appealing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.